This is the most sold electric car in America. Not last year, not 2 years ago, right now. They buy it because it makes life easier. Listen, if you live in the USA, chances are you've seen this car everywhere. Parking lots, highways, your neighbor's driveway. There's a reason for that. First, simplicity. No buttons everywhere. No confusing dashboard. Just a big screen and done. You sit down, tap the screen, and drive. It feels less like a car, more like using an iPhone on wheels. Second, performance. Instant torque. You touch the pedal and it just goes. Merging on the highway. Easy. Now range. This is where people stop worrying. Charge it overnight. Wake up. Drive all day. Most Americans don't even use half the battery daily. Supercharger network has your back. Road trips. Quick story, meet John from California. He drives to work, drops kids at school, takes weekend trips, and he hasn't visited a gas station in months. Not weeks, months. Comfort matters too. Big cabin, glass roof, quiet ride, no engine noise, just silence and music. After a while, normal cars start to feel loud and annoying. Now let's talk money. Is it the cheapest EV? No. Is it the smartest buy? For many Americans, yes. Low running cost, minimal maintenance, strong resale value. Over time, it just makes sense. Over-the-air software updates. New features appear while you're sleeping. What other car does that? And Tesla keeps updating it. This is why the Model Y keeps winning. Commute, family, road trips, charging at home. Not because of hype, not because of ads. Because it fits real American life. Saving money? The Tesla Model Y isn't trying to be flashy. It's trying to be useful. And that's why Americans keep buying it. So here's the bottom line. If you want an electric car that's fast, simple, comfortable, and easy to live with, this is why the Tesla Model Y stays on top. If this helped you, hit like. Subscribe to Next Gen Cars USA for real car talks. And tell me, would you switch to the Tesla Model Y or stick people with gas?